Hi, welcome to a guided meditation session. I am Vidhika and I'll guide you in today's session. Make sure you are in a quiet place where you'll not be disturbed. Turn down all the distractions and make yourself as comfortable as possible by lying down on your bed or on the floor. Make sure your spine is straight and take your time to settle in. In any way positive, feel the place you are in to help calm your nerves and take away any anxieties, knowing that there is nowhere else to go or no other tasks to do. When you and your space are ready, give your muscles permission to let go. As we go through the meditation process, let's try to embody the healing properties of this journey. As you gently close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose. Notice the path in through your nose and notice the path out through your mouth. You may keep your left hand on your chest and right on your stomach. Notice how the body rises up when you inhale and lowers down when you exhale. Continue noting this pattern for 5 more breaths. More often than not, we forget that the eye is the most overworked muscle in our body. Allow yourself to soften your gaze and let your eyes rest here. Start noticing your body as you follow your breath pattern. Notice that your facial muscles are relaxed and the tension is released. If you find your eyebrows are frowned and your forehead is stressed, understand that it is okay, as different people notice things differently. Taking a deep breath in as you exhale, notice how the shoulders release tension. Notice your shoulders are all backed and down. Your arms and legs are spread wide. Palms facing the ceiling and the feet are flapped open. Notice any stress and give your body the permission to let it all go without any judgment. Meditation is simply about letting go. It is a progressive process. You might not be relaxed at the start, so allow the process of breathing slowly and gently to help relax your body. Now begin to notice your physical being. As you relax more, your feet and ankles become lighter than ever, giving yourself a deep, relaxing feeling. Nothing seems to matter in this moment, just you. Follow your body's natural rhythm and eliminate any possible distractions by coming back to your breath. Your brain sends you notification every now and then about your to-do list, and hence we are caught up in what is and what should be. See if you can just observe it and let it pass, letting yourself be in the right now. Focus on your breathing or your heartbeat. You are safe here. No need to rush or pace down. Some people spend their entire lives trying to empty their minds completely. Know that you don't have to do this. If you just observe and let go of your thoughts in order to attain relaxation, you are being in the best meditative space. Observe all the things you are grateful for and take a moment for those thoughts to settle in. Breathing is relaxing, and anytime you find yourself drifted, focus on your breathing. As you focus on your breathing, feel how you are free and how still your mind is. Notice how relaxed all your muscles are. If you would like, gently wake your body up calmly. Otherwise, let yourself sink deeply into relaxation and fall asleep with the sound of the music around you.